If you've ever felt that sudden wave of nausea while traveling, you know how quickly motion sickness can take the joy out of a trip. Whether it's in a car, on a boat, or even during a flight, motion sickness can make your body feel like it's fighting against you. The good news is that you don't have to rely on medication to find relief. For centuries, people have used natural remedies to calm the stomach, steady the senses, and restore balance. Today, we're going to explore gentle, natural motion sickness remedies that work with your body instead of against it. Motion sickness happens when your inner ear, eyes, and nervous system send mixed signals to the brain. Your eyes may see movement while your body feels still, or the opposite. This confusion triggers nausea, dizziness, sweating, and fatigue. The goal of natural remedies is to soothe the digestive system and help the body regain a sense of balance. One of the most trusted natural remedies for motion sickness is ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to calm nausea and support digestion. It works by helping the stomach empty more efficiently and by reducing irritation in the digestive tract. Ginger can be taken as tea, chewed in small slices, or used in powdered form before travel. Many people find that ginger works best when taken 20 to 30 minutes before motion begins. Peppermint is another powerful ally. Its cooling effect helps relax the stomach muscles and ease feelings of queasiness. Peppermint tea is especially soothing during travel, but even the scent of peppermint oil can provide relief. Inhaling peppermint gently signals the nervous system to calm down, which can reduce nausea and tension at the same time. Chamomile is often overlooked, but it plays an important role in motion sickness relief. Chamomile helps relax the body and reduce inflammation in the digestive system. When anxiety or stress worsens nausea, chamomile tea can be particularly helpful. Sipping it slowly allows both the mind and stomach to settle. Fennel seed is another traditional remedy worth knowing. Fennel supports digestion and helps reduce gas and bloating, which often accompany motion sickness. Chewing a few fennel seeds or drinking fennel tea can ease discomfort and prevent nausea from escalating. Beyond herbs, simple acupressure can make a noticeable difference. The most well-known pressure point for motion sickness is the P6 point, located on the inner wrist, about 3 finger widths below the palm. Applying gentle pressure to this area for a minute or two can reduce nausea and dizziness. Many people use acupressure bands during travel for continuous relief. Hydration also plays a quiet but essential role. Dehydration can make motion sickness worse, even if you don't feel thirsty. Small sips of water or herbal tea throughout your journey help maintain balance in the body. Avoiding sugary drinks and heavy meals before travel can also reduce stress on the stomach. Your posture and focus matter more than you might expect. Keeping your head steady and looking toward the horizon helps align visual and sensory input. Fresh air is equally important. Opening a window or stepping outside when possible can quickly reduce nausea by improving oxygen flow and cooling the body. Certain foods can either help or hurt when it comes to motion sickness. Light, bland foods like crackers, rice, or applesauce are easier on the stomach. Fatty, spicy, or overly rich foods tend to worsen symptoms. Eating lightly before travel often prevents nausea from developing in the first place. Aromatherapy can also be surprisingly effective. Lavender helps calm the nervous system, while lemon scent can reduce nausea and refresh the senses. Even carrying a small cloth with a drop of essential oil can offer comfort during long trips. It's also important to acknowledge the emotional side of motion sickness. Anticipating nausea can sometimes make symptoms stronger. Gentle breathing techniques can help break that cycle. Slow, deep breaths tell the body that it's safe, which can significantly reduce physical discomfort. Every body responds differently, so it's worth experimenting with a few natural remedies to see what works best for you. Some people find ginger alone is enough, while others benefit from combining herbs, acupressure, and mindful breathing. Motion sickness doesn't mean your body is weak. It simply means your system needs a little extra support in certain situations. By using natural remedies, you're helping your body adapt gently instead of forcing it to suppress symptoms. If motion sickness has been limiting your ability to travel, enjoy outings, or feel at ease during movement, Remember that nature offers many tools to help. With the right preparation and a few simple remedies, you can restore comfort and confidence wherever your journey takes you. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this helpful, take a moment to explore more natural remedies that support everyday wellness. Small changes, rooted in traditional wisdom, can make a meaningful difference in how you feel, one journey at a time.